Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Ford F-150 Lariat. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a Ford bed liner in here and a soft cover on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.